Tesla's sales in the first half of this year took a real hit. But those headwinds are now behind Tesla, and Q3 already shows a sharp rebound. With Q4 shaping up to deliver major volumes, boosted by the new Model 3 performance, the fresh Model YL launch in China, and mounting rumors of lower-cost vehicles, it's clear Tesla is gearing up for something big. And at the center of it all, the long-awaited Model 2. But what do the mysterious new gigacastings really mean for the car's design? How far has Tesla pushed FSD and the rumored low-power mode? And most importantly, could this be the breakthrough that finally makes Tesla affordable for millions of buyers like you? That's what we're digging into today. You're watching AutoGearshift, the channel that cuts through hype with hard data, sharp analysis, and a focus on what truly matters to EV owners and tech enthusiasts. If you want more of that straight-shooting insight, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Help us push past 7,117 subscribers so this community can grow stronger. Trust me, you'll want to be here when the next big Tesla bombshell drops. How are these mysterious Fremont factory castings the first evidence of Model 2 production? In a recent update, drone operator Met God in Wilderness, who has been meticulously chronicling the progress and developments of the Fremont factory for years, shared compelling footage from his August 14, 2025 flyover that reveals the factory maintains its bustling production pace. Based on the aerial video, the Fremont factory appears vibrantly active with vehicles streaming off production lines, while a particularly intriguing covered vehicle can be seen maneuvering around the test track, fueling additional speculation about what Tesla might be preparing for public reveal. What proves especially fascinating about the latest footage from Fremont is that vehicles moving from production lines to output logistics areas are no longer manually driven, as Tesla confirmed in previous updates that manufactured vehicles at the Fremont factory now automatically navigate to output logistics areas using unsupervised full self-driving technology. Perhaps most compelling, the drone operator captured footage of several mysterious castings being collected just outside one of the facility's foundry structures, components that appear distinctly fresh since they seemingly don't correspond to any castings currently utilized for Model Y production. This discovery has ignited speculation that these new components, which appear smaller than the standard large-scale Model Y castings, could be specifically engineered for the Model 2's more compact architecture and cost-optimized manufacturing approach. The size differential suggests Tesla may be implementing a fundamentally different structural casting strategy for the Model 2, potentially using smaller, more modular components that align with the vehicle's anticipated lower price point and simplified production requirements. According to Tesla's Q2 earnings report, the company actually began production of more affordable vehicle models around June, with Elon Musk confirming these vehicles will reach consumer hands in Q4. Given that we started in North America and that our goal is to maximize production with higher rates by the end of Q3, we're going to keep pushing hard on our current models to avoid complexity. We'll be running with the more affordable models available for everyone in Q4, Musk stated, providing the clearest timeline yet for when Tesla's budget-friendly Model 2 might finally materialize in driveways across America. Do you think these fresh castings really the first signs of the Model 2's frame coming together at Fremont? If you believe they are, drop a Model 2 in the comments and tell us why you think Tesla's finally pulling the trigger. And stay tuned, because up next, we'll break down a brand new Tesla's mode. How could Tesla's new low-power mode be the game-changing feature Model 2 owners have been waiting for? Our latest analysis of Tesla's application reveals the company is developing a revolutionary low-power mode for its vehicles, a highly requested feature that mirrors the power-saving functionality commonly found on smartphones and could prove essential for the upcoming Model 2's mass-market appeal. Over recent years, Tesla has added numerous new features to its vehicles, and while most only consume power when the car is active and ready, several features drain energy even when owners aren't using their vehicles, including summon standby mode, sentry mode, cabin overheat protection, scheduled climate control, the newer Keep Accessory Power On feature, and various other background processes. The core functionality of low power mode centers on dramatically reducing Tesla's standby energy consumption without completely shutting down the vehicle, ensuring owners can still wake the car and access it through the Tesla app when needed. Low power mode will provide owners with a simple one-touch solution to disable all energy-consuming features, which according to app strings will include climate keep, dog mode, camp mode, sentry mode, keep accessory power on, and potentially numerous other background functions. Tesla has built-in intelligent customization options, as the system will warn users if they attempt to activate certain features from the app while low power mode is engaged, such as seat heating, steering wheel heating, sentry mode, or temperature maintenance modes. Owners will have the flexibility to enable or disable low power mode directly from the Tesla app, suggesting the feature will also include in-vehicle controls for activation. Perhaps most intriguingly, one discovered phrase indicates Tesla may allow owners to automatically set a battery percentage threshold that triggers low power mode activation, which could prove invaluable by letting owners leave their vehicles normally while ensuring adequate battery remains for driving to their destination upon return. Since the code for low power mode already exists within the Tesla app, this feature could debut in Tesla's upcoming 2025.32 update, currently undergoing employee testing and potentially rolling out just as Model 2 production reaches full scale. How is Tesla revolutionizing its design studio to drive mass FSD adoption for the Model 2 era? For years, one of the biggest barriers to Tesla's FSD adoption has been the substantial upfront cost, which has fluctuated over time, creating uncertainty for potential buyers. While the experience and technology remain groundbreaking, the multi-thousand-dollar price tag represents a challenging commitment for buyers at the point of purchase, particularly as Tesla prepares to launch the more budget-conscious Model 2. Tesla updated its design studio with a significant enhancement that now displays a nearly full-screen video demonstration of FSD capabilities when customers reach the FSD purchase section, providing an immersive preview that showcases the technology's real-world performance. A future update will enable Tesla to display both the upfront purchase price for FSD Supervised and the monthly subscription fee side by side, allowing Tesla to bring FSD to significantly more customers, even when the upfront cost proves prohibitive for buyers. Customers will be immediately informed about subscription options and can sign up for FSD directly from the vehicle ordering page, streamlining the entire process from consideration to activation. This strategic move, confirmed by Tesla Vice President Raj Jagannathan, will provide users with comprehensive options to purchase, subscribe, or receive a free FSD trial, ensuring every new owner can immediately access FSD capabilities from the moment they take delivery, even if they're utilizing the complimentary trial period. After all, recurring monthly payments represent a far more manageable solution for many households compared to a single large payment added directly to their vehicle loan, particularly for Model 2 buyers who are already prioritizing affordability. Perhaps the most brilliant aspect of this new strategy involves integrating free trials directly into the ordering process, creating the ultimate low-risk sales tool built on Tesla's confidence in FSD's capabilities. This approach allows FSD to essentially sell itself, equivalent to customers discovering FSD organically through hands-on experience rather than marketing materials. Currently, the only method to receive a complimentary 3-month FSD trial requires using a referral code, limiting access to this powerful conversion tool. By providing every new owner with full FSD feature access for a limited period, Tesla is betting that the driving experience will prove compelling enough to convert a significant percentage of trial users into paying subscribers or outright purchasers, a strategy that could prove especially effective with Model 2 owners who might initially skip FSD due to budget constraints. With mysterious castings surfacing at Fremont, a new low-power mode on the horizon, and fresh FSD strategies designed for mass adoption, All signs point to Tesla preparing for a historic shift in 2026. But what do you think? Are these castings really proof that Model 2 production has already begun? Would low power mode make you more confident in owning a Tesla long-term? And is a monthly FSD subscription the push you need to finally try it out? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our latest deep dives into Tesla's next big moves. Let's push autogearshift past 7,117 subscribers and keep building this community of sharp-minded EV fans.